In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Whop. If you want to update the name that appears on your profile, the process is very simple and only takes a minute once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, go to Whop and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile area. Click on your profile to open the account menu. After that, look for the settings icon and click it. This will take you into the section where you can manage your account details and personal information. If you don't immediately recognize the icon, just look for the usual settings symbol, which is typically shaped like a gear. Once you're in settings, click on Edit Profile. This is the area where you can make changes to the public details connected to your account. It's a good place to review your profile information in general, especially if you're already planning to make updates. Now, find the username section. Click into that field and then type your new username. Make sure you enter it exactly the way you want it to appear. Usernames are often case sensitive in appearance, and in many cases, they also need to be unique. So if your first choice isn't available, you may need to try a slight variation. As you type, it's a good idea to keep your username simple, memorable, and easy to spell. That can make it easier for other people to find your profile and recognize your brand or identity on the platform. Also, avoid including any private or sensitive information in your username. After entering the new username, you'll be in the general settings area of your Whop account, where the updated profile information is managed. Take a quick moment to double check everything before moving on, just to make sure the username looks right and matches what you intended to use, and that's it. That's how you change your username on Whop. As a quick tip, if the change doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or revisiting your profile settings to confirm the update. Small platform delays can happen from time to time, but the process itself is straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Whop username quickly and easily.